Welcome back to another quick guide today. We'll walk you through how to make thumbnail with two photos. Here are the steps to make a thumbnail with two photos using Canva. First is to open your web browser like Chrome or Edge and go to the Canva website. Make sure to log in with your credentials or sign up for a Canva account if you don't have one yet. In the search bar, type YouTube thumbnail and press enter. Choose a template you like or click create a blank YouTube thumbnail to start from scratch. On the left panel, click uploads, upload files. Select two photos from your computer that you want to use and click open to upload them. Drag and drop the first photo onto the canvas and resize it using the corner handles. Then, drag and drop the second photo and position it beside or overlapping the first one and make changes to the size. Use frames or grids from the Elements tab if you want both photos evenly divided or in stylish shapes. Adjust brightness, contrast, color, or position from the top toolbar to make both images match visually. Add text, title or caption using the Text tab and customize the font, color, and size. When done, click the share, then hit download. Choose JPG or PNG. Click download to save your thumbnail. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.